Have you ever imagined creating music just by typing a few words?
Gaze upon the twilight's glow. Stars ignite and start to flow.
Sounds futuristic, right? Well, today, we'll dive into 3 incredible AI music generators that can transform text into stunning tracks, complete with lyrics, instrumentals, and more. Let's start with MusicHero.ai, an AI that turns your text into lyrical music effortlessly. First, click Create Music. Next, enter a description of your song. Now select whether you want instrumental or lyrical music. Hit Generate Music, and within seconds, your custom track is ready. Let's preview one of the tracks. You'll also notice the generated lyrics displayed on the right side, making it easy to follow along.
Gaze upon the twilight's glow. Stars ignite and start to flow. In the cosmos gentle we. Dreams are born when we believe.
Satisfied with the music? Click Download to save your masterpiece. But wait, there's more. Want to use your own lyrics? Switch to Custom Mode. Enter your song's title, for example, Chasing Heights. Select a style, paste your lyrics, and generate your personalized track. Preview it, refine it,
I was born in the grind, made to rise. Flipping setbacks, now I'm stacking the prize. Eyes on the vision, got no time for the lies. Dreams in my palm and they touching the skies.
and download when it's perfect. But MusicHero.ai doesn't stop there. It also has a sound effect generator. Enter a description and generate professional quality sound effects in seconds. Get ready for another incredible tool. Our second tool is ReMusic, designed for creating top-notch instrumental music, perfect for content creators or mood-setting audio. Start by clicking on Generate Music. Enter a description. Set the duration of the track. Hit Generate, and voila! Your instrumental track is ready. ReMusic doesn't just stop at generating tracks. It also features a vocal remover. Upload any audio file, choose the stems, like vocals, bass, or drums, and let the tool separate them for you. In seconds, you'll have individual files for vocals, instruments, and more.
City sleeps, but my heart's awake. Raindrops fall for heaven's sake.
And now for the final act, let's explore. Finally, we have the AI music generator by Media.io, a complete studio for music creation. Start by clicking of Create Music. Now select the track length, genre, mood, and theme. Click Create Music, and the AI will compose a beautiful piece tailored to your settings. Preview your file and download it when satisfied. Want music from text? Enter your text prompt. Set the duration and quantity of the track. Click Generate, and your text-inspired track is ready. Need custom background music for your video? Upload your video file. Choose settings like the mood and theme of the music. Click Generate Music, and the AI will generate music. Preview it. And if satisfied, click Apply. Tool will sync the track seamlessly with your video. And just like that, you've transformed a plain video into something extraordinary. So, here's a quick recap. Using MusicHero.ai, you can create lyrical music and sound effects. ReMusic specializes in instrumental tracks and vocal removal. AI Music Generator by Media.io combines text-to-music, customizations, and video integrations. Each of these tools is powerful in its own way. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.